Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and this video is not basically related to any sort of tutorial. So this is just a promotional video. So I have started my Udemy channel, Udemy account on Udemy. So where you can see that this is my account link. So I have already published two courses on Udemy. So the first course, which is basically like this is related to Twilio. So if you want to learn Twilio, how you can integrate Twilio Conversations API. So with Conversations API, like you want to learn how you can integrate the WhatsApp, how you can integrate Facebook, how you can do a web messaging by just using the Twilio Conversations API. So this course is for you, and you will also be able to learn how you can basically create a chat based contact center. So for an instance, you might have seen on a lot of websites where there is a chat icon on main pages of the website, and when you click on that, so you have different options, like you want to chat with salespersons, or you want to talk to general inquiries or stuff like that. So you will also be able to learn about that in the task router section as well. So these Conversations API and task router API are interlinked with each other. Additionally, I have another course on Laravel. So this course is basically in progress, but it is already published. So all the basic information is like the scratch, how you can learn the basics is already there. And in this course, I am talking about three main projects. So the first project is basically that, and all of these projects are real time or real environment projects. So the first project is basically like we will be working on inventory management system, and that is already started, and the videos are already published on that. Then the next is that we, by using the inventory management system, we will be building the e-commerce application by using the APIs, and obviously the front end will also be in Laravel. So since this is related to Laravel, not a React.js or other course. And then the third main is like how we can convert the inventory management system into a multi-tenant application. So you might have seen where like you have only one domain, and within one domain you can a person can sign up and he can create his own domain. So that is basically like a multi-tenant application where there is one code behind the scenes, one infrastructure is behind the scenes, but on the front end you have separate UI, you have separate database, you have everything separate going on. So by everything, what I mean is like you have everything cron jobs separately running, the tasks are separately scheduling, and you have your own preferred domain, obviously whatever the domains will be available. So this, in this course, I am talking about that. Now the third main course that I am planning to build, I have basically created that course, and I will launch it soon, and that is also related to Twilio, where you will be able to learn how you can create the contact center, a proper call contact center, where you will integrate the Twilio calling API. So by using the calling functionality, you will also be able to learn about TwiML bins, like what are TwiML bins in Twilio. You will also be able to learn about Twilio Studios, IVR, and all of these voice calling functionality. All right. So these are the three cores. Two cores are already launched. One is completed. This one is in progress, and the third one is I will be launching soon. So if you have any interest in any of these, so I will highly recommend you to basically go ahead and basically just check the introductory videos, what I am teaching there in each courses, and I will also paste the link down in my in this YouTube description as well. All right. So that's about it.